got the bottle machine at Kmart. It looks a little different. Oh, we got a new combination can plastic glass. And oh my god, look at this thing. Okay, let's try this. Okay, it says insert one container, barcode up, and then close the door. Look at that. Look at this machine. What is that? Well, I don't think I put the barcode up. I can't turn it like the Tomras. There it goes. So you open the door, you put it in, the barcode face up, close the door. Container isn't authorized at this store. It's Diet Coke. Okay, now we have some plastic that we have to break. This is cool. I've never seen one like this before. Oh, you guys got more of them. Oh, this is cool. You gotta put them in barcode up. I can't rotate them like the Tomras can. It's Envipco. Maybe this is their new machine. I don't know. You know what? Let's get our receipt now. And we're gonna do one in this machine. Just because I feel like it, we're gonna do one in this machine. Sorry, clear plastic bin is full. So put you in here. What are these things? If anybody knows what model this is, I would love to know. That's it.